Now let's begin another topic, which is plot duration and specify TickFormat. Okay, what this means? Okay, so by default, before starting any plot, we have to make the x-axis. So, but this time let's call it something like t or c equal 0. This time let's write seconds. .30. Let's type minutes. Duration in minutes. 3. So as the title is saying, is duration. Duration, so it's related to time. And I do love MATLAB because the instructions or the description of every function goes long way and can help you without even search documentation or anything. So C now is 0, second 30, and minutes 3. Okay, what this means also, it's just the same format but different maybe words, but same concept. So let's comment here. 0 is the start, 30 seconds, let's ask for seconds, is the step, 3 minutes is the end. I think you guys are pretty confident now, explaining this. So we're gonna start with 0, from 0 to 3 minutes, and from this time we're gonna start increasing by 30 seconds. So imagine if you are on road trip from 0 to 3 minutes, and every 30 seconds you have to go to a specific gas station or take a break in a hotel or something. So 0, 30 seconds, 30 seconds to 1 minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds, and then 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 30 seconds until you reach the 3 minutes. So this gives me 7 duration vectors, 7 duration vector. And if I try to run this, it's A, but I wanna see this in the command window. Here we go. So 0, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 120, 150, which is this 1 minute 30, 2 minutes, 2 minutes 30, 3 minutes, 7 duration seconds. So this is my x-axis, and then y-axis equal rand. Looks familiar, right? We explained rand in the first episode. However, don't remember, it just means random number. Okay, so I'm telling MATLAB, give me random number between 0 and 1. Okay, in a matrix that has 1 row with 7 columns. So random number between 0 and 1 in format of 1 row with 7 columns. And this will be my y-axis. Why I said 7, not 6? Because I have 7 vector duration. What if it was 6? Then I can write 6. But if I write 8, I think I will get an error because it will be this match. And we can try this. So yeah, y, but I also want to see my y here. Yes, so 1 row, 7 columns. This is the row. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. And as I said, random number between 0 and 1. Everything is just within 0 reaching to 1. Even doesn't reach 1 because it has to be between. Okay. Good to go so far. Let's plot then. Okay, so as I said, my x-axis now will be C. My y-axis, MATLAB recommendation, also goes a long way, I love this, would be y, then duration tick format minute seconds. This looks new for us, right? Okay, what this means, duration tick format, it just, I'm telling MATLAB that my x-axis, I want my x-axis to be in minutes and seconds format. Just my x-axis. It's called the duration tick format, and please, you guys have to take notes of this because you don't know which project you will work on in MATLAB or what the usage is, but definitely you guys will need this at any moment. And duration tick format, and then you are specify minutes to seconds. You can specify other time like hour, days, but now it's minutes and seconds. And if we run now, here we go, it gives me for the x-axis 0, and then like start from 0 seconds basically, and then 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 2 minutes 30 seconds till 3. And this also explain our line here, which is C. This is very powerful from MATLAB. Like as I said, this could be used in different ways. Like imagine if you are finance person and you are using this, and like this could be super relevant to like stocks or something like that, how stocks like increasing or decreasing by the time. So like literally by just 3 minutes a stock can increase or decrease. This is finance. What if you are using this for sports, like something like basketball? You can make a chart or a plot on how like many points for every 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, entire game, and start like comparing the performance of each team. So this is very powerful, and this is very good for MATLAB because I don't think any other like programming language can has like x-axis to be in the format of time in this way. And you can like change this like 30 seconds to any other seconds. You can just like format it as you want. So this was one of the best tools you can ever use in MATLAB.